Hello, men shedders. Welcome to the first edition of the Coochie Men Shed YouTube video channel and a series of tutorials. First, we're going to cover off 3D printing and how do we get that STL file or the file that we want to print or create on the 3D printers that we've got at the Men Shed. So what we're going to do is a quick little demonstration video. So you'll need to open up your browser, which you should already have open if you're in YouTube watching this, and jump onto your search bar. And then what we want to do is look for what we want to create on our 3D printer. So as a bit of a quick example, I'm just going to look at, say, a drill bit holder, and let's see what it comes up with. So if we type in drill bit holder and STL file. So that is very, very important, because what we're looking for is the STL file is the instruction that gives the 3D printer the information it needs to print on the print bed. So we're looking for STL file. So we can probably go into the background of what the actual STL file means, but for the sake of this exercise, we want to just see what comes up for drill bits for STL file. So let's search. So we've got a number of different websites that we can download these STLs from, and if we scroll down, you've got a number of different options. We've got Printables, which is a good site. We've got our STL Finder, and then once we jump into one of these software programs, it's like Google itself. You can start searching within that environment. So I think the Thingiverse is one of my favourite sites for use for my slot cars. I use for my model railways. I use for other things that I want to 3D print, and typically it's free. Colts 3D is also a great site, but typically you're paying for the file. So if you're like me, you don't really want to pay for stuff and you want to look for freebies out there. So let's click on the Thingiverse and see what they got available. Now, what you got available here is, a number of different files that people have created in different software packages, and we'll certainly get to that later on down the track about how we do create files in software packages. So you could build one of these yourself in some software once you get a bit more familiar with the whole process. But what we're going to do here is just look at, here's a little flexi bit holder. We'll click on that. It takes you to the person that's created this holder. Looks very, very simple, nice and sort of quick to print, and a great way to sort of organize your bits. So if we scroll down, very good summary here. So some people have a good summary, some people won't. It just depends, how much effort they put into it. So, here it is. This is for a standard 1/4 inch drive bits, designed to be printed with a flexible filament, so it can be easily removed. It's got 4 different sizes that are available. And then down here you got your print settings. So you got your print layer height, what mode they've got it in. For your bottom layers, if there's no infill or a raft or a brim, which we'll certainly discuss those terminologies once we get into the slicer software. But here we have got some print settings, and then so what we want to do is download the files. So it's downloading up here. You'll typically get pop-up ads, unfortunately. So what we've done here is I've already got downloaded something earlier. So flexi bit holder, let's going to save that. So up in the top corner here, near where your login icon on your Google bar, if you've got your own Google account, there we go, flexi bit holder. So we can open up that zip file. You may have some images. So here they've provided some images of this, and then that's how it's going to look after it's printed out. So, and then what we've got, if we go up here, we've got files. This is where the STL files live. So now you've got an STL for 4, 6, 8, or 10 positions. So then you would choose what STL file you want to print, and then you would put that in the slicer. So I'm going to make a second video in subsequent videos of once we've got this into the slicing software and how we manage it, and then what we do from there. So this is the first, like I said, series of videos that we're going to cover off. If you want some more, let me know. If you think that I've been a bit too quick with this, let me know and I can upload this, my first of the series of videos. So bear with me. It's early days. Let's see how we go. Thank you.